try to touch me.
Eye level with my socks. Enjoy the view. Short stack. Dude, that grip could bend steel. That splat echoed my pride just...
He's down. Help.
Who thought that this would happen?
Any chance this place comes with free Wi-Fi? They are stuck. Get them out. Call a zookeeper. They are stuck. Never coming back to the zoo again. Note to self. Never trust a map drawn by a toddler. That tail's tucked nicely. Keep it that way. Break time's over. Time for bruises.
Yes, I am getting. I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell my friends you let me in.
Incoming Skull Crusher, brace for impact.
Almost had it. Almost. Try to touch me. Checking the corners. Where's the star of the show hiding?
Hope that mangy fur pads the damage.
And stay down.
I'm not locked here.
Vitamin Hall. No keeper can stop it. So, no informational sign and no monkey mystery exhibit unlocked. Skull Splitter Express. Next stop, your brain pan. Tail between your legs. Good. The monkey won't pull me in, right? I wonder if these hold. Shake it.
Take this.
Let me test the bars.
Banana's too basic. Step 1, locate monkey. Step 2, avoid eye contact with any thrown objects. Oops, slipped straight at you. Snack time. Fresh score.
I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars.
Shoelaces, more complex than your entire thought process.
Got any more? This is amazing.
I have boots and you don't. Back off, furball. Did it mean to do that? You filthy animal!